गाना चला लो बैकग्राउंड में, वो भी आएगा ना।
बोला चलो स्टार्ट हो गया।
Just give a brief introduction what we're doing. People will get to know.
So we are heading towards Ooty main city, the Ooty Lake. We went to Avalanche, but there are some timings like 9:30, 12:30, 2:30. You have to there because they'll take you for a safari ride inside. So we couldn't wait because we have to wait till 2:30. So we are going back now. We are heading towards the peak, which is Tamil Nadu's highest peak. We don't remember the name. And here we come again with the muddy road.
People generally recognize it by that point, right?
Yeah, few people recognize it by that point. So yeah, but I don't. But it's individual.
Some beautiful name must be there because
yes.
people are going there. So some famous.
Yeah, I remember. I came 6
Maybe
years.
some people would have.
When Vaibhav was 2 years old, he came and he still remember. That is very great, his memory power. And as you can see ahead, these are the tea plantation hills which you can see ahead. And
It's
on
raining slowly and slowly. So and a little sunlight is also there.
yeah, sunlight color alto is also there.
One uncle is taking dabba and going somewhere. We don't know. Look at the road.
Yeah.
So the person with the steering is Mr. Jitendra. He has wonderful driving skills.
Thank you.
I'm just waiting them to praise me also, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We have one more
Don't say driver. Say one
more
person
skill.
who knows driving.
driving skill person. That is Sai and yes, he has good singing skill also.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes with Kailash Kher he matches this that alap we call him.
So, and we have two promises made today with the trip that Shiv and Mr. Rohit Hashmi will learn driving soon.
Yep,
Hey,
man.
He's Pandey, nahi?
Hey, Imran Hashmi, man.
Oh, for his killer look you are saying.
Yes, for his killer look.
That is excellent.
So they have promised to learn driving, and maybe in next 6 months they'll take us for a
Surely.
safe
I will do.
ride.
Yes, I will do. I will learn, and next time me and Rohit will share driving portion. You will sit on the back and
You fucked up, man.
And as he said, Rohit doesn't mind to sit anywhere until he has a girl beside him. There was an article on a survey taken by Government of India. Like
And,
Rohit is the person
I would
who
like to
is.
show the faces also because it's only road. So
Yeah, we'll show the face of that killer look at the end of the video. He has been rated the most traveled person in auto in Bangalore. He has many memories in autos and other places.
Sure.
So that is nice to know that.
Okay, so I'm going to overtake this red car. I'm going to overtake this red car. I was like,
Now Jeet is going to overtake this red car. Now you might be able to visualize the Fast and Furious 6 some acts. This is the Indian version of Fast and Furious. And Jitendra has successfully overtaken.
you will have a picture view. You will have a clear view, clear sight.
now it's
So now if you see, you have many hair bands here. You have around 34, but we'll only cross at 12 of them.
actually it's very nice.
If the audio is very clear, you can see some sound like. Don't think that they're sucking something. They're just having lozenge.
This is that. At least you
you-
can show someone. No? Don't
You don't have front camera, right?
Yeah, we have.
Okay.
You can just stop for a minute.
This is the beautiful Ooty.
Ooty.
So back to back within a month we have visited 2 hill stations. One is Wayanad and second is Ooty.
And on the way we visited Mysore also.
Yeah, Mysore was also there.
and our comfort boy, Mr. Vaibhav, is here.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, he's invisible, you cannot see, but
You can
see
hear.
two Wagoners back to back. One is K, one is MH. Now Jitu has got that booster energy. Now he'll drive for 5 minutes very quick, and again he'll sit calm.
You can see one temple
Side,
view.
side, side,
Temple view here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Different Rakshas and gods.
Yeah. So now again, like, the way is almost clear.
तापमान 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस और बारिश शाम तक होने की संभावना है.
Nagma.
यहाँ पे हम नगमा शुरू कर चुके हैं. देख सकते हैं साई लाइव अपडेट दे रहे हैं.
Nagma, can you hear me?
हाँ, I can hear you.
So,
Sir.
what is the current situation in Ooty? I heard you are right now in Ooty. So, and weather is also very nice. So, can you just just put some light, describe how is that?
Okay, I'll put little bit of light, not more, because the power consumption here is less. And we stayed yesterday in a small
Go ahead,
cottage.
Nagma, go ahead.
So hello, can you hear me, Shiv? Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
I can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yesterday we stayed in a small cottage, and it was very cold. We had a very wonderful walk late night after dinner.
Okay.
And there was some fight for the bed sheets and the pillow, but anyhow, everyone settled with deep
So
sleep.
who are these people who are fighting for?
I don't want to take the name; that will be a little bit political.
Okay.
So let's keep this agenda non-political. And there were few sounds in the night, and with some smell. But
God.
people have ignored that because everyone are
So,
very tired.
Was
And
there terrorist activity involved? Was there terrorist activity involved?
no, they were not terrorist activities. This was in-house activities.
Oh,
It's
not
you
like
cannot
that.
call terrorist, but it's kind of, you can say, local terrorist activities.
It's not, but it's not meant as
like
terrorist
that.
activities.
Looks like that. Okay.
And
So,
today morning we headed towards Avalanche without breakfast, and then we had a lovely breakfast over there. And
So how they have maintained restaurant there near Avalanche?
Avalanche, near that Avalanche restaurant was okay.
I heard that was not professional.
No, this is not a corporate world, Shiv. Hello, Shiv. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So this
go
is
ahead.
not professional MNC to find professionalism, but the point is there is no scope inside the jungle. So we should appreciate their effort to opening a small
You said
restaurant.
scope. So what is scope you were searching there?
Scope, okay. So scope is nothing but the radius within which you can do a work.
Okay.
So I guess you work in agile. So
Yes,
if you
yes,
work
yes.
in agile, you will be very used to the word scope. Hello, Shiv. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear
Hello.
you.
I guess we are diverting the topic towards work culture. Let's not go there.
Okay. Yeah.
This is one
I
hairband.
was just asking something. So
Hello.
this-
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Hello,
you.
Gandu. Hello. Shiv, can you hear me?
Don't-
Hello.
What is this?
Hello.
I think we can serve someone, no? Okay. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah.
No, I want to take some rest. Hello. I'm tired. I'll serve some water and we'll continue.
Okay, guys, again focus to the scenery.
Now again focus to the scenery.
So
This is hairband
You said
334.
hairband.
Yes.
So,
And now let's come to the origin where this hairband concept came. There was one Mahapurush. He was kind of a scientist. People used to call him Baba. So he actually saw this cut, and then he named it as hairband because it is similar to the design of a hairpin which females use. And the Baba name is Vaibhav. So he has actually invented this name.
Oh, is it?
Yes. I guess Rohit Hashmi is quite, I assume he's doing something personal.
No, so I know him. He's kind of killer. So killer always will be silent. So
Okay.
no problem.
Sai, is it possible for a minute? Can we swap the camera?
No, we don't. Okay, we have to go like this. Okay. So these are the.
Swap.
No, you don't have a swap option in video. You cannot take video from front camera.
Really?
Yeah.
We can take
No.
Yeah, can you check?
Turn option is there. I know.
ऊपर ऊपर अरे आपकी उंगली के लेफ्ट
I think so. Like, yeah.
You don't have actually.
We
You
can
don't
start with front or secondary camera, but later on we don't have an option.
have. Okay.
I guess.
So these are the
Hi.
people.
Hi, this is Shiv. This Baba is beside me. Our killer is this side. I don't know whether you people are able to see. On driving seat, Jitendra is there. Sai Kumar is in Ooty.
Cameraman.
Guys, so we can't see right now. I'll just turn the camera. Now we can
Hey, guys.
see. Can you see?
Cameraman Saito Shiva.
Yeah, hi Shiva. Oh, sorry.
Hi.
Sai. So actually, what to say? I think we had talked a lot already.
ओके सो आज का कार्यक्रम यहीं पे समाप्त होता है. फिर से देखिए न्यूज़ कल 8 बजे दूरदर्शन में. नमस्कार.
Namaskar.